Welcome to the 31 Days to Learn programming course. In Week 2, we dive into programming fundamentals in Python. Today, on Day 8, we're explaining variables, a core building block essential for all computer programming. This lesson will equip you with a foundational understanding of how to manage data in your programs. Welcome to Day 8, where we'll unpack the concept of variables. To begin, let's explore what a variable truly is. Think of it as a labeled storage box within your program. Its primary purpose is to hold data that your program can access and utilize at a later point. By understanding and effectively using variables, you'll be able to create programs that are far more dynamic and flexible, adapting to different inputs and conditions. When working with variables in Python, proper naming conventions are crucial for readability and maintainability. Always aim for clear and descriptive names that indicate the variable's purpose. In Python, a variable name must begin with either a letter or an underscore. For multi-word variable names, the standard convention is to use snake_case, where words are separated by underscores. Finally, it's essential to avoid using Python's reserved words, such as print or if, as variable names, as this will lead to errors in your code. Assigning and changing values is a fundamental operation with variables. In Python, you use the single equal sign, equals, to assign a value to a variable. It's important to understand that Python evaluates assignment operations from right to left. For example, if you write score equals 10, Python first looks at the value 10 on the right and then assigns it to the variable score on the left. A powerful feature of variables is their flexibility. You can overwrite a stored value at any time during your program's execution. So, if score is initially 10, you can later update it to score equals 15, and the variable will then hold the new value. Let's summarize Day 8. We've learned that variables are essential for storing data that your program can access and manipulate. We covered best practices for naming, emphasizing the use of descriptive snake_case names in Python. Remember, you assign values using the single equal sign, and one of the most powerful aspects is that variables can dynamically change their values during program execution. Ready to go deeper and solidify your understanding? The Introduction to Programming course offers a comprehensive path from beginner to writing real Python programs. It includes hands-on labs, requires no prior experience, and is completely free to start. Enroll now and continue your coding journey at destinlearning.com.